Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Monica desktop application onto your Windows PC. So to get started, let's open up our web browser. I already have Google Chrome open here, and then I'm simply going to type in monica.im into the URL bar. So you're either going to see a landing page or the main Monica UI interface. If you see the main UI interface, simply go ahead and click on desktop and mobile here at the bottom left of your screen and click on Windows. So this should download the installer, and within a minute or two it should be finished downloading. So this is what the landing page usually looks like. Here you're going to see down desktop and mobile app, and you should have an option here for Windows as well as some other operating systems if that's what you're using. So again, here, similar process, simply click on Windows and it should download straight away. So I'm going to give it a minute or two to download, and then I'm going to walk you through the installation process. So now that that's done, simply open the installer and this should be the first thing that you will see. So you can choose a few options, whether you'd like to install the Monica program for anybody who uses this computer or only for the current user account. I'm going to click on only for me for now, and then you're going to be able to choose your installation folder. Now, if you don't usually change these settings, feel free to just leave them on the defaults. So I'm going to go ahead and click install, and it shouldn't take too long before it finishes installing. There we go. So once that's done, let's go ahead and click on finish, and it should automatically open Monica for us. So let's go ahead and click on login. I'm going to click on login with Google here, and it should automatically link. There we go. Welcome to Monica, and you're going to be able to begin the setup. So call out anytime by pressing Alt and space, pretty useful. Go ahead and continue. Alt M to call out chat window. There we go. And some more. So I'm going to go ahead and skip those, and I'm just going to launch Monica right now. So now that that's done, we should be able to see the full interface just like we would in the browser with a few key differences. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.